We are here.
Hello fam! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to Alva Fam Fam channel.
Ikaw, may sisingit ako, fam. Nakakalimutan mo yung Bisaya love. Maayong?
Maayong buntag, maayong tanan.
Ang cute ni Mami.
Maayong buntag, maayong tanan. Ano?
Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw.
Adlaw sa inyong tanan.
Okay.
O, diba?
So go ahead, Mami.
And ngayon lang kami mag-start ng vlog. Medyo late na. At ang dami nangyari kasi ngayong maghapon na ito. Pumasok kami ng daddy, busy sa work. And syempre, with the kids then.
Approaching the weekend tayo, fam.
So, ang big event natin this coming weekend is the Musa Canada Fashion Show.
Ngayon nga magpa-practice ulit si Mami and the kids. So this is one of our ang proceeds nito, as we know na charity siya, goes to more or less helping our community in Tagum City, Davao del Sur. So, syempre close to my heart, and thanks again, Madge, for inviting us.
Thank you, Madge.
Sila ang isa sa mga organizer.
Yeah.
We are here. Nasa Universal Dance Studio kami. Universe Soul Dance Studio. So, dito na. Let's go, let's go. Okay, dito na kami sa loob. Hi. Hello, hello. Saan ba? Dito? Dito ba or dito doon? Dito, okay. Ayan, Universe Soul. So, it's a dance studio. So, sobrang laki ng dance studio nila dito. Wow. It's really nice. And this one would be a smaller section. So, ito yung dance studio, fam. Dito sila magpa-practice ngayon ng walk nila for the fashion show. Hello po. So, nag-hi lang tayo kina tita. But, yeah, dito daw sila magpa-practice, fam. So, punta lang ako sa labas saglit. Alright?
Bella! Perfect. Bella!
Ayan pala, introducing Madge. Ayan, from Davao City yan si Madge. One of the main organizer actually yan. Dito sa House of Musa. Thanks, Madge, for inviting us. Yan, okay. Sama natin si Madge sa vlog. At saka lalo na bukas, fam.
This is the preparation for the final show. And andito kami ngayon sa sasakyan at getting ready, going for our makeup. Mauuna kami ni Lian kasi magme-makeup kami, and then Kuya will follow. We have our final practice before the show, mamayang gabi. Time check ngayon, 10 a.m. Ito yung call time namin for our makeup, and we have practice later at 12:30 around there. And medyo hectic ang day today kasi maghapong event talaga to. And naaalala ko talaga yung mga times ng aking kabataan. Parang ito yung ginagawa ko back then, and naalala ko lang na ganito din ka-hectic talaga. Pero syempre, iba yung energy natin nung bata tayo. Ngayong medyo may edad na tayo, iba na rin. And syempre, may kasama tayong bulilit. And ito na nga, first show ng mga bata, first fashion show, first exposure din. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi kasama ko sila for this event. And thank you again, Madge, for this opportunity. Samahan nyo kami sa preparation namin and we're on the way!
So,
Yeah. And we're here, fam. Dito din yung event. Medyo late na tayo. Medyo naligo pa tayo ng konti. Come on, Iris. Konti-konti. And I guess this is the preparation area. Excited? Are you excited? Hello po. Good morning, tita.
is your friend?
Yeah, everyone. Ayan, dito yung preparation makeup. Kasi kami ata yung one of the first na may makeupan. And hindi pa pala tayo late kasi nagpe-prep pa rin yung mga makeup artists. Ito yung backstage. Wow. It's a big one. Dito
What
yung
can we
makeup.
do? I can't
Nagsiset up pa
wait.
sila.
Mommy, can I run around like a makeover?
Yeah. We're starting. Hi, ate.
Hi! Walang kilay ang makeup artist. I'm sorry.
Hi.
Wala, kasi wala kami kilala. Wala, oo. Pwede kita inumin.
Ayan, may pakain po tayo dito. So,
Leonard, come here.
lunchtime na. And syempre, nangunguna ang daddy.
Muna talaga.
Oo. Ayan na, kuya. Saka may patims and kape dito. Mga donuts. Ayan. Ay, makubos na iba. Pero ang dami pa rin, fam. Still preparing, fam. Mga dresses natin, fam. Mga boleros. And look at this. So nice. And kids ata.
It's Lianica's turn. Is it your first time to do makeup, Lian? Yeah, it's her first time. Yeah. Okay, fam, behind the scene. And final technical rehearsal. Okay, kailangan pala si Lian dun, fam. Sa harap. Okay, we're going. line. Hi. Mommy's ready. Game na rumampa. Okay.
Yung kamay mo dito sa kabila sa Lilia. Other side. There you go. Yeah.
And they're lining up now. Get ready. And hi, ate. Okay. Sam, look at that. Puno. Puno yung event. Congratulations. House of Musa, Canada. Everyone's ready. Ganda. Almost puno. Yeah, it's full pack. Hello. Ano po ang name nila?
Jason, hello!
Jason.
Ria po, hi.
Ria, ayan, thank you for coming and how supporting the Musa.
Yes,
Thank
po.
you, thank you.
Davao del Norte, Association of Moves and Designers, Artisans and Seamstress, DAMDAS, whose gifted designers and artisans preserve Filipino craftsmanship. Tells a story,
Every creation honors a tradition.
and every step reflects the enduring spirit of the Filipino people,
The lights are about to dim.
and the music is about to rise.
And now, the celebration begins!
Now we will now begin our 10-minute intermission. Feel free to stretch your legs. Using our exhibit.
Good job, Kuya! Where's Lian? Lianica! Good job! Okay fam, so the family is here at pupunta kami dun sa rotating 360 camera dito sa likod fam. So we're just gonna line up here and let's go!
We are proudly revealed the newest ambassadors of House of Musa Canada. Individuals who will help us carry our purpose, our story, and our vision forward.
Hi fam! And it's done! Nasa backstage tayo ngayon and this is it!
Thank you.
The show is done. Thank you so much House of Musa for having us. And thank you Madge! And see you next year! Diba? Anyway, dito ko natatapusin ang video na to. Pagod na ang mga bata, pagod na ang lahat, at successful ang fashion show. Salamat ulit fam! And sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. So, see you again on the next video.
Rarampa mo na si Mami.
Thank you.
One more, Mom. Okay, House of Musa, thanks again.
See you on the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, fam. And